Thank you for choosing Foamma. You made the right choice with our quality foam made in the US. In this video, we are going to show you how you can measure your foam cushion to order a replacement. First, take your tape measure and measure the cover seam to seam. When you measure, please make sure the cover is stretched out. You need to measure it from all sides. You're going to want to get the length, width, and depth. There is some room for error in measuring, up to about ½ inch since the foam is a very flexible material. You want to duplicate how the manufacturer originally built your cushion. For example, if they used batting, you should also add batting to it. For this one, we're going to add batting. Batting is a light density material that gives your cushion a soft and full cloud-like feeling. It also adds a nice visual curve appeal, which removes wrinkles and makes it so much more luxurious and less boxy. We offer different densities of foam. High density foam is firm and dense. The thicker the depth of the foam, the more firm it will be. For example, a 6-inch measurement of depth will be much more firm than a 1-inch depth. Medium density is lighter and less firm. 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, the 6-inch. Another type of foam we offer is our high density plus gel. The high density foam will hold your body weight, and the 1-inch of gel will make it much more comfortable to sit or sleep on, just like a gel memory foam mattress. The gel memory foam helps to draw heat from your body, and it has a slow sinking feeling. It has a soft feel, and it also offers a lot of pressure relief. Lastly, if you are replacing more than one cushion, we suggest you order one piece first to try it out before you order multiple pieces. We compress and roll the foam into small boxes, so it'll be very difficult for you to repackage it at home and return it back to us. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, please contact us through Amazon. We are always ready to help you with your next project. Foamma, when local meets quality.